If I'd take more time in life, I wouldn't be such a messy person, but I got stuff to do. Yeah, baby! That didn't stay on. How about you? We'll do this. Set a hammer up there. Yeah, baby! You know it's me. Ha! Talk to me! Alright, now I gotta do my accumulator for the lift. Basically, down there goes the oil, and then it comes up through this doodad, and what this is, a piston sits in here. Over time, this has never been touched. This rig's got like 8,000 hours on it. This thing's never been touched. So, piston goes up and down, and the oil pushes it against air, and air can compress, you know, so there's your shock absorbance. But the problem is nitrogen's all gonna go in it. Air can't, you can't put oxygen in it. Oxygen's explosive and it gets tighter as it gets warmer. Where nitrogen, they stay the same size no matter what the temperature. I guess that's what I've heard. But anyways, so now what's going on is over time the air is dissipated down, and I guarantee there's oil in it. So I'm gonna have to take this off, cap all this, and then squirt air in the bottom to push the piston up and squirt oil out of the top to get it cleaned out back and forth. And then I'll take blow air up, blow piston up, and then put the Schrader valve back up on top and blow nitrogen and push it back down with nitrogen. So there ain't oxygen and it's just nitrogen. All right, let me set you all up here. Let me see. Put y'all where you can be. Let me put y'all where you can be. All right, we got our high dollar camera mount took care of right here. There, can you see it? Hang on, we're getting a little wobbly. We're on the lift cylinder. There we go. All right. First thing first, you gotta take the top loop, get that blowed off there. What you want? Typical paper. Come on. Yeah, actually, with that. Now I put a new O-ring on it because I'll blow that one out. Dummy. That's all oil mixed with air there. from home. If I was smart, I'd have put a damn thing on there and kept all that, but it's buddy. Now, to work it out, put this up there, because that's going to get messy too. If I'd take more time in life, I wouldn't be such a messy person, but I got stuff to do. Yeah, baby! That didn't stay on. How about you? We'll do this. Set a hammer up there. Yeah, baby! You know it's me. Ha! Talk to me! Okay, that end's done. Come here, you. Where'd you get your information from, huh? Alright, now I gotta fix my doodad, put an O-ring on it before I can. Alright, here we go. Found some AC O-ring, this is right. Looks like it's made for it. Can't do nothing for you. Boy, I wish that had smooshed down a little better. Now put my ends on. You son of a bitch. Okay, let me get you guys and bring y'all down here so you can see. Got everything hooked up. Now, that air hose been aggravating. Cut that son of a buck off. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna add her in. Take her up to what, 875? I think I used to have it at. I can't remember. I think it was 875. So 800, let's see, 875 we're gonna run her up to. Yeah, it's trying to leak. Why are you leaking? Because the O-ring's bad on it. Let me take this all off and I'll show you all when we get in. I pulled my hydro tank off. I had a leak. It was right. There's a crack around there. Son of a buck, they make these son of a bucks. They ought to put a lid and ring around there and weld that washer on there. But if they done their shit right, we wouldn't have a weekend job. We'd have normal work to do. Alright, I got a mess on the floor. We got it welded. Oh yeah, I got a blob there. I started out, I got spazzed around, I come down here and I grabbed a dadgum. I ain't the bestest MIG welder in the world. But I grabbed a dadgum rod over there and I come over here and it was a stainless rod and I didn't know it. I was trying to, and it's like acting stupid. Of course, I'm MIG welding enough to, so I didn't catch on to it. It was acting stupid because it's a rod. Finally got pissed off and threw a fit. To find out that I had a daggone wrong rod. So once I grabbed a Ludman, you know, peeled it off and healed that up, but it didn't go too bad. It's all right. We'll stick with it. I'm gonna throw her on. All right, we got her done. We're getting out of here. Got Whitey put back together. Oh, got most all the mess cleaned up. Might have a little bit to clean on Monday morning, but not bad. Let's get the Hades out of here. And let's get us a daggum drink. It has been, oh man, it was awful. That daggum frickin' Blackie. Oh, Blackie. Let me tell you something, driver. Look at this, though. Look at this, everybody. I cleaned up. I cleaned up a part of Blackie. Look at them hubcaps. I cleaned them. And right here, on top lid of the toolbox, I cleaned it. Look how it shines in the sun. So, I don't want to get too high clout here, but I cleaned a little bit. Hang on, wait a minute. I'll clean up one lug nut cover to show you all how fancy Blackie is under all these cloves of dirt. Look how shiny that one hubcap, or that one nut cover is. Oh, now I gotta go put my tank back up, my nitrogen, and dump some trash and get my butt out of here. Me and Mommy's getting ready to go out on a date. And just to show how much appreciation I got from my YouTube peeps, Jeff Pay Dirt, look what I'm wearing out tonight for the go out night. Thanks, buddy. And your stuff will be in the mail Monday. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the buttons and leave me likes, comments, stuff. Let me know what's up. And to anybody's wanting Logger Weight gear, go to loggerweight.com and help yourself at the shop there. And we got all that good mess. Take care of it. And mostly just want to say thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a good one later on.